Environment Network would like to see more youths involved or look forward to doing environmental careers, such as being a marine biologist. If you're going to be a lawyer, why not go into the field of environmental law, fight for the rights of our environment, of our natural resources? I'm Felicia Romeo, Treasurer of the Caribbean Youth Environment Network Regional Steering Committee.
The St. Vincent and the Grenadines chapter of the Caribbean Youth Environment Network is actively involved in waste reduction, both inland and along the country's coastal regions.
Our youths are involved in beach cleanups across the country, especially with Ocean Conservancy International Coastal Cleanup that is done annually in St. Vincent and across the world. One of our main projects that we deal with is a youth engagement project that deals with the protection of our coastal areas and reducing marine litter. We'll be visiting different communities, so we speak about coastal protection, how to reduce litter from entering into our marine space, as well as enhancing those areas. The community will be involved as well as our youth to ensure that they know the importance of the environment and how we can go forward in protecting it. Another additional activity that we're involved in is engaging our government and our private sector to see different ways in which we, as a country, can reduce our solid waste. The country currently has a ban on single-use plastic as well as styrofoam, which is a plus actually in reducing the solid waste here in the country. But we need citizens to understand the importance of doing that from the home, doing that from your everyday walks of life, to know how you can reduce plastic, single-use plastic, as well as enhancing your environment for sustainable development. So the Caribbean Youth Environment Network is steadfast in ensuring that waste is being reduced. And with the Room-led project, is a plus in getting that done, because we try to ensure that the country itself and our youth are involved in various activities, whether it's a beach cleanup, whether it's with the environmental groups or the science clubs in the different schools, to see exactly how they can have their own little projects in their areas to reduce solid waste in the country. The Caribbean Youth Environment Network in St. Vincent would like to see more youths get involved in environmental matters, to see youths being rallying around the different environmental concerns in country as well as regionally. We want to see youths across St. Vincent and the Grenadines pick up the mantle in terms of environmental conservation, because we alone can't do it. We are a young organization. We like to see other persons involved, because the youths are the future. We are the future. To see youth involved in different activities, especially in relation to the environment for the betterment of our country and development, would be a great asset. At the moment, we've seen a lot of females involved in different youth organizations, but males, we're encouraging males to also be involved in the fight for the environment, because it's not just females only, but having a strong male presence, young males, for the fight for the environment will better our country and the region as well.
Over a decade of advocacy, continuous inland and coastal cleanups, CYEN SVG is a committed OECS Clean Ocean champion.